In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a case on eBay. Understanding how to effectively navigate this process can really enhance your buying experience. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, we'll start by logging into your eBay account. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in ebay.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign in option, usually in the top right corner, and enter your login details. You'll want to make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple. This step sets the foundation for everything else. Next, head over to your purchase history. To do this, click on the My eBay link, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Purchase History. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of your recent orders, making it easy to locate the specific transaction you're interested in. Now let's find the item in question. Scroll through your purchase history until you come across the item you're having an issue with. Once you find it, look for the More Actions drop-down menu, typically situated next to the item's listing. Clicking this will present you with several options. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Resolve a Problem. This option is your gateway to addressing the issue with your purchase. After you've clicked on it, you'll be presented with several categories to choose from, outlining different issues you might be experiencing. Select the reason that best matches your situation, whether it's an item not received, not as described, or perhaps a damaged item. Be sure to follow the prompts carefully and provide as much detail as possible regarding the issue. While not mandatory, it's often beneficial to contact the seller directly at this point. eBay encourages open communication between buyers and sellers as a first step. Craft a polite but clear message explaining the problem. This can sometimes lead to a quicker resolution without the need for further escalation, as sellers are often willing to rectify issues to maintain their reputation. If you don't receive a satisfactory response or resolution after reaching out to the seller, it's time to open a formal case. Providing any additional requested information, submit your claim through the eBay platform. This formalizes the issue and brings it to eBay's attention. Lastly, monitor your case closely. After you've filed your claim, eBay will review it and might request additional details to aid their investigation. Be sure to regularly check both your email and eBay messages for updates on the status of your case. As you navigate these steps, remember that patience is a valuable tool. eBay's processes are in place to protect both buyers and sellers, ensuring fair and just resolutions for all parties involved.